In this video, we will further analyze the data using SQL. Let us understand further data manipulations to our data and table.
One thing you need to make sure while creating a database is to execute the query in master database. Create a table only in the desired database of your choice. If you want to see master database, you can expand system databases. I am inserting the first row of data from sales spreadsheet. Run the select statement to view data inserted in the table. You might have noticed, even though we have only given table name sales, the output came as dbo.sales. dbo is the schema for that table. Schema is the container within database where the table is stored. dbo means database object. If you expand security, you can see the schemas option there. Like database and table, creation of a new schema is straightforward. I am creating sales table under sales schema also. Even though the table name is same in the database, since they are of different schemas, we can create such a table. You cannot create a new table within the schema with same name. We can also delete these schemas as same as database and table. If any object is active in the database with the schema we want to get deleted, it will not happen. You need to remove all the related database objects in the schema first. After removing the table schema, get deleted. We have implemented 3 columns from the sales document. Let us add the remaining date column also to the table. For that we are going to use alter. Please refer the screen and replace the table name. After add, give column name and data type. New column has been added to the table with no values inside. I have given order date as column name. For deleting any column we use alter and the syntax drop column mentioned in the screen. The column has been removed successfully. Let us add the column again and put value also in the column. Update function is used for changing any value to the inserted data in a table. Update table name and set a value for the column. If you see the output, since we gave the column datetime data type with date value and 0 time value also added. In order to change the data type of a column also we use alter. We are going to change data type from datetime to date data type. Data type date only have date, but no time in it. Let us try to insert another row from the document. Customer name is the same. Product changed. Also the price. We are inserting this without considering the order date column. Second row added and order date came as null. Let us try to update the date column. We got a conversion error. SQL date data type format is month, date, year, but we have provided date, month, year format. We have to change the format. But have you noticed after updating both rows of order date came as the same? That is because we haven't specified which rows should be modified. That is where we use where function. Let us identify the what is unique to first row and add a where condition. Here for Jane product are different, so let us put smartwatches product in order to fetch only the first row and update date column. Now everything seems correct.
Here you notice values in customer, product, price, and date columns can get duplicated. So identifying each row will be troublesome going ahead. Here we can use different methods to identify each row. We can do that by finding row number, giving identity to each column, or by providing a UID column.
Let us see how we can create identity column with the table. I am recreating the table with all the columns and a new column called ID. Data type of ID column, you can put any numeric data types. After the data type, add identity 1, 1. Create the table. Let us insert data into the table. I have given all the columns an insert statement except ID column. ID added as 1 for the first row. It has been auto-generated. If you insert second row, ID will become 2 for that row. You can use the where condition with the help of ID column to fetch each row individually.
It will get interesting as you dive more and more into the sea of SQL. Thank you for watching.